यार, I have to put this thing inside. ये safe तो है ना? Will I get any infection? Does it breaks the hymen? If I am a virgin, can I still use it? What if it gets lost inside me and never come out? Hello everyone, welcome back to She the People TV. This is Chitra Singh from Chitra's Girly Talk on Instagram. I am a fourth year medical student and today we are going to talk about things that you must know about menstrual cups. I know that there are many questions that comes to your mind when you think about switching to menstrual cups. But don't worry because today I'm going to answer all these questions that are coming to your mind. So first of all, is it safe to use a menstrual cup? Yes, menstrual cups are generally considered very safe to use. They are made up of medical grade silicone and silicone is a material which is inert. That means it does not react with your body. You can think about breast implants. What are they made up of? Yes, silicone. Also, you need to take little precautions before you insert the cup. Like you have to wash your hands and the cup with soap and water and rinse it very well. And also you need to boil the cup in water for 5 to 10 minutes to disinfect it. And then it's absolutely safe to use. But you know what? Some people can have silicone allergy too. And if you are trying to use menstrual cups for quite a while now and you are still having severe itching or discomfort, it's better to avoid using one. Second question, that is, can a menstrual cup break your hymen or can you lose a virginity if you use a menstrual cup? So first of all, the sentence breaking the hymen is wrong. The hymen is not a gate that someone can break. The hymen is a thin piece of tissue that surrounds your vaginal opening. So consider if this is your vaginal opening, the hymen surrounds it and there is still a opening in it through which your menstrual blood comes out. So yes, if you try to insert anything inside, then the hymen can stretch and there can be or cannot be some amount of bleeding. It all depends on the type of hymen you have. Some people bleed, some people don't, and that's completely okay. And girl, hymen is not a proof or symbol or a signed document of your virginity. The theory of virginity is created by people, and virginity simply means that a person had never had a sexual intercourse. So yes, a menstrual cup may stretch your hymen, but it cannot take your virginity. But yes, if you are so worried about hymen and all, then it's absolutely fine to not use a menstrual cup. It's your choice. Now the third question, and people are worried so much about it, that can a menstrual cup get lost inside you? Well, no, don't worry because a menstrual cup will not get lost inside you. And many of you think that if you push the menstrual cup too high, it will get lost and travel somewhere and it will end up in your abdomen. But no, that's not true. Well, to make you understand, let me give you an example. Consider this little doggy as your uterus, this pen as your cervix, and my hand as your vagina. So if you will put the menstrual cup in your vagina, it cannot reach your uterus because the cervix is very narrow and it cannot pass through the cervix. So don't worry, your menstrual cup will stay in your vagina and it has nowhere to go. And even if there is 1% chance that you are not able to take out the menstrual cup or it is stuck inside your vagina, then you can go to a gynecologist. They will help for sure. Now, how long can you wear a menstrual cup? Well, it depends on brands, but most menstrual cups you can use from 10 to 12 hours. But you can change it according to you. Like you can change it according to your flow, according to the day of period, or if you have just started, you can change it in 6 to 8 hours. Now, it is a very commonly asked question that does the cup leaks? Well, you know what? If the cup is placed correctly in the vagina, there is very rare chance of leaking. But again, if you have just started, you can take some time to become a pro at using the cup. And till the time, I will advise you to wear a panty liner. So in case if there is any leakage, you can be free from the stains. Now I get this question asked so many times that which period product is the best? Is menstrual cup better than pads or is this product better than that and all? But you know what? I don't think that there is a best period product. The best period product is what you find the most comfortable. And yes, there is no doubt that menstrual cups are better than disposable pads in many ways. It's environment friendly, it doesn't give you any rashes, you don't have to take tension about the leakage. It can be used for 8 to 10 years and once you put it inside, you can't even feel it and there are many more advantages. But it doesn't mean that if you are not ready to switch, if you don't want to switch, or if there is any other reason you have to switch over menstrual cups. It's your choice, take your time. But if you are ready and you want to try menstrual cups, then I mean, why not? Well, go ahead and try it out and find what's best for you. I really hope that this video was useful and I have tried to answer most of the question about menstrual cups. But still, if you have any questions, do comment below and let me know. Bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.